This is a simple number. Okay, I want to string this. Okay. So how to create this? To create this, just go to your editor. Okay. Now in body section, create a neighbor ID and neighbor right. Assign your items. Many items are like home, contract, and about. Okay. And for neighbor, declare a logo. Okay. Now for the body section, just add a simple style. So now I discuss about JavaScript to spooling. Okay. So first of all, you need to create a function named spool function, and the type is on spool. Okay. Now spool function. If documented body spool top greater than 80. Okay. Or document elements full of greater than 80, then it will censor the neighbor padding. Okay. uh, as 30 pixel and 10 pixel. This is top to down and right to left. Okay. And add also font size for the logo, otherwise it will add padding style. Okay, 80 pixel and 10 pixel. So if you want to decrease this size like 60, and save it, go to browser, refresh. Look at this. Now I want to discuss about CSS style. So the body, just add the font family for the menu. Okay. Add position as a text and white 100% and add as a index. Okay. Now add a background image as a linear gradient. For neighbor element, just add a simple style plot left, and for link, just take text decoration will be none. Okay. Then for logo, neighbor and logos, font size, font white, bold. Okay. And add a transition 0.4 second. Now add a our style background color, and if active, then change the background color. Okay. And color also for neighbor right, for the right side. Okay. uh, Add skin for max height 580 pixel. Okay. Then neighbor to uh, padding will be 20 pixel, 10 pixel, and this is the color. Okay. And neighbor element plot layer none. Okay. And display will be block, text align will be left. Okay. This is the symbol.